Windows 11 today feels overloaded. Features pile up while performance slowly disappears. Tiny 1126H1v4 resets the balance. Official release branch. Full updates, zero bloatware. You keep modern Windows while removing everything that slows it down. Hi, this is Neil from Apidus. Let's start. Building Tiny 1126H1 starts with the Tiny 11 Creator. Open the Creator using the official link in the pinned comment. Once the tool launches, press Build. From that point, the Creator handles the entire workflow automatically. It retrieves the required packages and assembles the Tiny 1126H1 installer in the background. You can leave it running while it completes the process. If you prefer not to build the installer locally, you can also use the Ready installer available on the official website. Both options are fully supported. Make sure you are using a valid Windows license. Only clean and legitimate installations are supported. The build time depends on your internet speed and your system hardware. When everything finishes, the log window will display "Build finished successfully." That message confirms your Tiny 11 installer is ready. Do not obtain Tiny 11 from unofficial websites. That approach carries serious risks. Many unofficial builds include hidden spyware or malware. These can steal personal data, compromise accounts, or damage your system. Always use the official creator or the verified installer provided on our website. Now let us move to the installation stage using Zeno. Zeno allows you to install Tiny 1126H1 without creating a bootable USB. You will find Zeno included inside the package. Launch the tool. Select the Tiny 11 installer you created earlier. Then choose the destination drive, where the system will be installed. Make sure that drive does not contain important data because it will be completely erased. Set the file system to NTFS, confirm the settings, and start the installation. Zeno will handle the remaining steps automatically. The process typically finishes within a few minutes. After it completes, restart your computer. You should see a new dual boot option for Tiny 11. If the entry does not appear automatically, you can add it using a BCD utility such as EasyBCD or Visual BCD. We are working on simplifying this process even further in future updates. That completes the installation method using Zeno. No USB drive required, no additional preparation needed. If Zeno does not work on your system, or if you prefer the traditional installation method, you can use Rufus. Connect a USB drive with at least 8 GB of space. Make sure you back up any important files, because the drive will be wiped. Open Rufus. Select the Tiny 1126H1 installer. Choose the USB drive. Start the creation process. This usually takes between 5 and 10 minutes, depending on your USB speed and system performance. When the process finishes, the bootable USB is ready. Restart your computer and open the boot menu. Most systems use F12, F8, or Escape for this. Select the USB device to start the installer. If you are not sure which key your system uses, searching your laptop or motherboard model online will give the answer. The Tiny 11 setup launches automatically. The installation flow is simpler than a standard Windows installation. You go directly to the drive selection screen. Choose the correct drive carefully because the selected disk will be overwritten. You can configure the system language later, so you can skip that step for now. Once installation finishes, the system loads into a clean Tiny 11 desktop. If you want to improve performance on your existing Windows system without reinstalling, you can use Velotic. It converts a regular Windows installation into a Tiny 11-style setup in just a few clicks. Your PC speed shapes how you feel when you sit down to work or play. Velotic is not a cleaner, it is control. You turn it on, and your system stops fighting you. Games feel smoother, apps open faster, stutters disappear. Your PC stays fast every day, not just after a cleanup. Velotic tunes your CPU and GPU automatically, based on what you are doing. It removes junk before it slows you down. It kills hidden background drains in real time, without breaking Windows. You get 500+ professional tweaks. One-click debloat, no guessing. Instant app installs, no setup pain. Smart power control that shifts between performance and stability when you need it. You free massive disk space through safe compression. Nothing gets deleted. Your files stay intact. Your system breathes again. This is not a temporary fix. This is the same approach used by people who depend on stable, fast machines every day. Built over 4 years, used by thousands, improved with every release. You install once, you stop thinking about performance forever. The basic plan starts at just $19.99 lifetime access. Velotic, for people who refuse to tolerate a slow PC. Now comes the key step, turning Windows 11 into Tiny 11. Open Velotic. Go to the debloater page. Press play. The tool takes over from here. With a single click, your system reaches Tiny 11 level performance. No file loss, no broken features. Everything runs on your existing setup. If you want the full breakdown, tap the info button. You can also find the complete guide through the link in the description. After installation through Rufus or Zeno, Tiny 11 boots straight to the desktop. The first step is enabling compression. Open the Configure app. Navigate to the compression section. Click Enable. This can reduce the system footprint by up to 60%, freeing a large amount of storage while maintaining stable performance. For most systems, this setting works perfectly. If you ever notice a slowdown, it can be disabled instantly. Once compression completes, Tiny 11 26A1 runs at full speed. The entire system occupies roughly 6 gigabytes, while a standard Windows installation requires far more space. Startup becomes faster. Applications open more quickly. Memory usage remains lower. This build is optimized for speed and stability. It works well on older laptops, lower-end desktops, and modern systems that simply do not need unnecessary software. We will publish detailed benchmark results soon on our partner channel HT. The video will go live in a few days, and you will find the link in the pinned comment. Now that Tiny 11 is running, let us connect it to the internet. Open the Configure app and choose your preferred browser. I am selecting Chrome, but you can also install Edge, Opera, or Firefox. Let me know in the comments which browser you use. I read all of them. Chrome installs in seconds with a single click. Once you are connected, visit my YouTube channel and our partner channel. Subscribe if you enjoy this type of content. You will also find a link to our Discord server in the description. Join the community, talk with other Tiny 11 and Velotic users, get help when needed, and preview upcoming builds before release. If you encounter sudden crashes or memory-related errors, there is a simple fix. Open the Configure app. Enable paging files. Restart the system. This resolves most stability problems. Paging files remain disabled by default to keep the system footprint small. Turning them on gives Windows additional memory space and prevents many out-of-memory errors. Next, let us install drivers. Drivers control graphics, sound, networking, and input hardware. Tiny 11 keeps this step safe and straightforward. You do not need to search random websites or run unknown installers. Open the Configure app. Select Install Drivers. Choose the drivers required for your hardware. If you want everything installed automatically, select Install All. Do you need drivers? In most cases, yes. For gaming or video editing, proper graphics drivers are essential. On laptops, drivers manage the touchpad, touchscreen, and function keys. On desktops, they enable Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, audio, and power management. Once installation finishes, the system operates as intended. Fast response, stable performance, full hardware compatibility. Next, let us change the system language. This is useful if English is not your preferred language. Open Settings. Go to Time and Language. Select Language. You will see the languages currently installed. Click Add a Language. Search for the language you want. Spanish, German, Polish, and Portuguese are common options. Press Next. Enable Set as my Windows display language, and click Install. Windows will download and apply the language pack. The time required depends on your internet speed and the package size. Menus and interface text update automatically during this process. When installation completes, click the 2 copy buttons, then sign out and sign back in. Your desktop start menu and system dialogs will now appear in the selected language. You can find the purchase link for Tiny1126H1 in the pinned comment. Tiny11 is a paid service designed for users who want speed, privacy, and reliable daily use. The system feels light, it stays responsive, behaves consistently over time. Free custom builds can be found online, but many fail after short use or contain hidden security risks. The choice is simple. We provide a professionally built, secure system. You get a Windows installation that remains stable for years. Thanks for watching. This is Apidus, signing off.